Are you planning to move from Toronto to Florida soon? This video is for you. Moving to Florida offers many exciting prospects, from sunny beaches to beautiful landscapes. But how do you prepare for the big move? Let's dive into everything you need to know, from cost estimates to shipping your furniture safely. Florida is a fantastic place to call home. From its stunning coastlines and thriving tourism sector to its tax-free income environment, the state has a lot to offer. Plus, did you know it's one of the only states in the US without a state income tax? That's right, no state taxes on your income. Now let's talk about the cost of moving from Toronto to Florida. On average, the cost of moving can range anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000. Your final price depends on factors like the volume of your belongings, distance, and additional services like packing or car shipping. Next, let's talk about one of the biggest concerns when moving: how to ship your furniture safely. First, always take inventory of your items. Photograph your furniture from different angles to protect yourself in case of any damages. Make sure to choose a reputable moving company that specializes in interstate moves and offers insurance options. Proper packing materials are a must. Bubble wrap, moving blankets, and sturdy boxes will keep your belongings safe during the journey. To further protect your items, consider dismantling large furniture when possible. Pack small parts like screws and bolts in clearly labeled bags. Also, for delicate items like antiques, use custom crates for extra protection. Hiring a professional moving company may seem like an extra expense, but it can save you a lot of time and effort. The cost of a professional move depends on factors like the size of your home, the distance, and the time of year. For example, moving a studio or one-bedroom apartment can cost anywhere from $1,497 to $6,160, while a 4-plus bedroom home may run from $829 to $13,000. If you're looking for the best movers from Toronto to Florida, be sure to reach out to us. We'll make sure your move is efficient, affordable, and stress-free.